Nasia. Nasia.
Oh, can you shut up? I'm trying to make a TikTok.
What?
You're not even my real mom anyway.
Wait, baby, we're joking.
What?
We're just joking.
Y'all gotta stop playing.
Hey, buddy, will you clean your room for me?
No, shut up.
What?
That's
Have you
right.
lost your fucking mind?
That's right. I said shut up.
I think it's Taylor's room.
Hey, Jesse, did you clean the pig pen? Jesse, don't ignore me. Did you clean the pig pen?
No, I heard you. Shut up.
She's a loser. You burnt him.
It's
hard with guys, man.
Junior! What? Did you clean your room?
What?
Have you cleaned your room?
No.
Why not? I told you to clean it earlier.
Okay, I know, dude. Shut up. God dang, dude.
¡Eh, pendejo!
It was a joke! KJ, did you clean up your room like I told you to? So, every day you just gonna leave it like it is?
Shut up. I'm gonna clean it when I clean it.
I'm for sure you're not talking to me. I'm for sure you're playing. I'm for sure you're playing around or something.
I'm not playing. Sometimes we just need to shut up. I told you I'll clean it. I mean, sometimes you do.
Go wash the dishes, Maribel.
Oh, shut up.
She told your ass.
Are you gonna go talk shit?
You go. I'm enjoying my beer.
Nick!
What?
Bruh, go clean your room.
No, shut up.
Is he dead ass? Is he dead ass?
Nick! Run, Nick! Nick, run! Okay, stop! Okay, stop! 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 It's a challenge!
Y'all better not play those.
He's joking!
Let me catch you.
Look, all your siblings came to rescue you.
Hey, Kylie, did you take care of the stuff on the stairs like I asked? Guys, do not tell an adult to shut up. Where in your right mind do you think that that's right? I hate you guys.
Hey, Jay, get in this room and clean up them toys now. What are you doing? We just playing. It's a shut up challenge.
Why you playing like that? You don't want to play like that. Get your ass up. That shit ain't hurt. That's what you get for listening to your mom.
What happened?
She's supposed to change her math class. Tolly? How come you didn't talk to him?
I tried. Oh my god.
God, you just shut up sometimes. Seriously? Say it again.
Where'd you see that?
Just tell you shut up. What the? Get your ass down here, bro. What you mean? I was just saying it's not working, so can you give me another?
No! I'm tired of you always begging and asking for stuff.
Do what?
Okay.
Okay, nothing, son. All day long. You've been begging for stuff. From early this morning, calling. Mama.
Please shut up. Jesus Christ. What you say?
Babe, we just was playing.
Hey Mason, will you come feed the chickens, please?
Shut up, Mom. I don't want to do it.
Mason? I don't know. Mason,
What?
what'd you just say?
Shut up, Mom. I don't want to do it.
You know he's gonna
Yesenia!
Also picks up his second foul. Trey Burke has been active in this first quarter here tonight. He's got playoff experience with Washington.
Didn't I tell you to pick those socks up since earlier?
The Sixers.
Huh?
Playing in just a second postseason. Willie Cauley-Stein opted
What?
out.
Are you serious right now?
And because of that, roster spot opens up with the Mavericks.
What's your fucking problem?
Did you say anything? What's with your house? What the fuck's my room?
It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank!
Tony, the waters. I already told you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry up. The waters.
Okay, damn. Be quiet.
It's a prank.
Fuck, I was about to beat the shit out of you.
Yeah, did you make that room up? Did you clean that room up?
Mom, can you please shut up about my room?
Shut up. Did you say shut up?
Mason, you gotta take a shower before Uncle John comes.
Shut up!
Whoa! Maya! What?
Wait a second. Isaiah, did you do your chores?
Yeah, man, get off my ass. Shut up, Mom. I did them.
What?
What the fuck is your problem?
What is my problem?
Yeah, why are you snapping like that?
He just told me to shut up. What are you talking about? I just asked him if he did his chores.
What the fuck? Are you fucking serious right now?
You didn't hear him? He just told me to shut up.
You better say something.
What the fuck? You're dumb as fuck.
Dylan, did you hear me tell you to put that pillow up?
Shut up, Mom.
I'm playing. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Because like I'm actually trying to be calm with you, but every day I have to tell you the same thing.
I can
And you're just
stop
laughing.
talking if I want to. No, you can't. Yes, I can. You can't. I can.
Okay, go tidy up your room.
Oh, you're so annoying.